Afternoon everyone, Chuck's back. Now I picked this up from a friend of mine. He donated his own solar panel. He's in a caravan, lives off grid. He has a separate off-grid system, but he uses this mainly for his caravan. The unit is dead, so there's nothing coming in from the left, nothing coming in from the right. I'll take these out, and what we're going to do is replace it with this. I picked this up for 10 bucks. It's a cheapie but a goodie. So it's probably better than the one he's got on here, because this is called Landstar, and it don't work. Because if you got nothing coming in here and nothing going out there, it's dropping voltage into something. So we've got them out. These here, this is the only wire he had at the time. I'm going to solder on longer wires. I'm just going to do a test with these ones. They're not going to stay in. I'm not happy with them. I want these to be a bit longer for him. I just have to undo this. Look at this, it's already almost ready to go. Look at that. Someone's put something in here and not even bothered to lock them up. Well, that one's locked up, but someone tried to get it off. So we need our pointy nose long screwdriver, or something that's flat with long. I have these on me at the moment. They probably will do the job, and they do. It's like playing with toy electronics, this stuff. So these panels are rated at, this is only a 60 watt panel. It's probably not even worth, it'll just trickle his battery, but I don't know, it's not a very good panel. I did offer him a couple of 200s, but I don't think he knew what I was trying to give him. I was trying to give him a 220 watt panel, two of them, and I was just going to say, look, let's get an MPPT controller, cheap one, and use that. And we're going to pause because someone's ringing me. Okay guys, sorry about that. I had a phone call and I had to cut a fair bit of it out. I screwed it on. I don't think anyone will want to watch that. Now, if I take the battery off, you lose power. Well, it's meant to lose power. If you don't have a battery to excite it, it won't turn on the display. Now, I picked this up for $10 for a mate. I actually bought one for about 25, and it's still coming, so I'll have that sitting around here just in case this one goes. It came with 2 ports, so the guy that sold it, I don't think realised how dear these things have gotten. So now I've got it all sorted. It's nearly dusk here and it's reading, so I don't know what the menus are. I haven't played with them. Yeah, well, I don't think I should have played with them. I should have just left them alone. Yeah, that's alright. So it doesn't tell me what type of current it's getting. It's getting about 19 volts coming in off the solar panel. So these are only 60 watt and it's almost dusk. So I think that's going to be a wrap. I've just got small wires. I couldn't fit these in. I put the wiring in there like other people do, and yeah, what I'm going to end up having to do is solder them into there, inside the actual connectors, and put a bit of heat shrink over them, and that should do the job. Other than that, I think he's got a winner. Like I said, my friend donated his. This is a 12-24 volt system, not a MPPT, but standard PWM, and he donated his to a homeless woman, so he's getting this. So this is what he's getting. So a mate donated this panel. The other control was absolutely stuffed. Now, as I said, if you've got one of these and you've got a fault on it and you've got no power coming in here, or the meter's reading nothing coming out of the battery, even though you've got a good battery on it, change the controller, take it apart, take these two apart, get a multimeter, put it on DC and check that you've got 19 volts on there, or check what the panel says, and you should get around that. And yeah, all good, ready to go, and I'll catch you all on the next one. I hope you're all doing well. It's a beautiful weekend. It's just starting to get near spring here in Australia. The wattle's out. You can hear the different birds. So I normally get rosellas coming in, but they're not coming in at the moment. That's a bit of a disappointment, but it's all good. I think we're going to have a good spring. Catch you later. See you on the next one.